Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this 2015 Ford Taurus SHO Sedan. This classic full-size American sedan boasts a comfortable and spacious interior, an enormous trunk, and a laundry list of luxury attributes. Luxury Motorsports specializes in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona, while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood is an EcoBoost 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 engine, generating 365 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. EPA estimated fuel economy is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. In track testing, this SHO accelerated from 0 to 60 miles an hour in a respectable 5.8 seconds. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. The Taurus SHO has the more powerful engine, all-wheel drive, sport-tuned suspension and steering, xenon headlamps, distinctive styling, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, aluminum pedals, and stylish leather upholstery with simulated suede inserts, and an overall upscale look and feel in the cabin. We invite you to come and put this Taurus through its paces today and experience for yourself the smooth ride quality, the blend of power and great fuel economy, strong acceleration and pleasing overall driving dynamics. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.